my goodness, I'm yawning. Sorry. Hey, I'm going to show you, Bridget, how to print your Acellus cards for your students. That way you can add it to your learning codes from Seesaw. So you would go into Acellus and log in as your teacher, enter your PIN to log yourself in. I need to add you as a teacher real quick. Hold on. Let me do that. Let's go to edit class, and then we're going to add Troyer. See, look, you're learning how to add a teacher to the class. And now we need to go to first grade reading, setup. My phone's ringing. I wonder if it's you. Okay, so I now have you added in kindergarten reading, kindergarten math, first grade reading, first grade math. So we are both teachers on there. So in order to print your login cards, you come over to classes and you would click on first grade math. And then you're going to come up here to the right-hand corner where it says setup. And you're going to come over here to the left side where it says print sign-in cards. Now you could use so after you do that, you could use the email function if you took the time to enter in all their email addresses, which it's not worth it to me. I'd rather just print them. So you click print, and it takes forever to load because this program is really slow. I'm a sample student in your class, FYI. But you just print that as you do the learning codes, and then you can send that home with them. And their access ID and their password is the same for both reading and for math. And once they go through to log in, they can do like an easy setup login that I explained on the other video that I also posted in this email giving overall directions. But that is how you would print it. So we'll go back through and we'll do that one more time. We'll come back to your desk. You will go to your classes and you will click on the class. So you only have to do this for either reading or math for first grade or reading or math for kindergarten because you're going to get the same code either way. So after you have your class up here, you're going to come up and click setup. And then over here, come and hit print sign-in cards. And then print sign-in cards, and there it would be. So that would be it for that. And I'll take care of the rest.